Basic English Conversation Practice for Kids. Welcome back to online English class. School lunch. Tony, what's your favorite thing to have for lunch at school? I love pizza. It's always so tasty. What's your favorite? I like sandwiches, especially with ham and cheese. Yum! Do you bring your lunch from home? Yes, I do. Sometimes I get a special treat in my lunchbox. That's cool. I like when we have pizza day at school. Learning new skills. Anna, what new skill have you learned at school recently? I've been learning how to tie my shoes. It's tricky but fun. What about you? I've been learning how to do multiplication. It's challenging but interesting. That's great. Learning new things at school is exciting. Yes, it is. I'm looking forward to learning more. School assembly. Tony, have you been to a school assembly? Yes, I have. They're so interesting. What do you like about them? I like the performances and seeing my friends on stage. What about you? I like hearing about the school events and awards. Assemblies are a fun way to learn about what's happening at school. Definitely. They make school life more exciting. Art projects. Anna, what art project are you working on right now? I'm making a collage with different colorful papers. What about you? I'm painting a picture of my favorite superhero. Do you like doing art projects? Yes, I love being creative and making new things. Me too. Art projects are a great way to express ourselves. Reading corner. Tony, do you like spending time in the reading corner? Yes, it's so cozy. I love reading different books. What's your favorite book to read there? I love reading stories about adventures. What about you? I like reading mysteries and detective stories. The reading corner is a great place to relax and enjoy a good book. Learning a new language. Tony, are you learning any new languages at school? Yes, I'm learning some Spanish. It's really interesting. What about you? I'm learning French. It's fun to learn new words and phrases. That's cool. Learning new languages helps us understand different cultures. Yes, and it's great for meeting new people. Science experiments. Anna, have you done any cool science experiments at school? Yes. We made a volcano erupt with baking soda and vinegar. It was awesome. What about you? We grew crystals in class. It was amazing to see them form. That sounds interesting. Science experiments are so much fun. They really are. It's exciting to see how things work. Spelling bee. Tony, did you ever participate in a spelling bee? Yes, I did. It was a bit nerve-wracking but fun. Did you ever join one? Yes, I did. I was really nervous but also excited. What word did you spell? I spelled accommodate correctly. What about you? I spelled beautiful correctly. It was a great experience. Spelling bees are a great way to improve our spelling skills. Math games. Tony, do you like playing math games? Yes, I do. My favorite is multiplication bingo. Do you have a favorite math game? I like playing Math Jeopardy! It's fun to answer questions and win points. Those games make learning math more enjoyable. Yes, and they help us practice our skills in a fun way.